stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in at the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. AC cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More up a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and come. For you see the face, I hear the voice, now you don't know a Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. And today, we have Ambush with OT. You understand? The last Ambush song I listened was I'm Just Bait. My case just got adjourned again. I'm just waiting on my new date. If it was anyone else, they would have thrown it out, but I think it's because I'm just bait. You see me? Even if I saw it go. Something like that is go, man. But you don't know. We not waste too much time. We not talk too long. Gaming channel, music channel, in the description below on my Instagram. Check out the freestyle on the music channel. I'll leave a preview at the start of the video and at the end of the video. You understand? So check it out. Let me know what you think. Leave a like. And like this video as well and comment what else you want me react to. And you don't know. Cogency, I could jump in it. Buzzworld Entertainment. Executive Events. Glasgow 3:06 AM. The Bugatti. Yeah, that beat is so mad already. Yeah. Sweet one. Sweet thing.
Yeah, I was just like you. Made 20 bands, I know what to do. I was sipping on poison too. Them times running from the boys in blue. Then I got Nick, went jail, got pissed, said I'm done with food. But then I came home and viewed. How could I ever be done with food? That's when I hit the trap like it's rude. Hit the trap like it owed me bread. You hit the trap with a cue. Bro, this ain't 2002. Ain't your fam relying on you. My whole gang relying on me. So how the fuck you lying on me? You don't wanna see the iron on me. I already know you're frightened of me. I already seen the look on your face. Back crash it on me, couldn't crash your car if it had no brakes. But I've been jailed 4 times and I ain't been banged in my face. A couple times I got snaked. Turned around, they got wasted. I done half my sentence on base. Good with my hands, can't grab when I don't estate. Said I used to have 100 mates. Then I got pissed, said I'm done with fakes. And I went OT for 100. Said I went OT for 100 days. Shot my nigga DEA. Got him on the run from the DEA. Got M1 shit, now we on the run from the MI5. 10 bags if you catch him alive. Shit did really get mad for the guys. Still, I could never stitch, no way, not even if you gave me a mil. Never cracked, never fold, never told, never will. Shit's really too real for the drill. What the fuck's going on in Dubai? See a man get cuffed up in the sky. Then all day you wanna rap about glides. What's that? I think Stardog is killing the guys.
Hola. I heard what they about talk. Hola.
What the fuck's going on in Dubai? See a man get cuffed up in the sky. Then all day you wanna rap about glides. What's that? I think Stardog is killing the guys. If she don't know life pre-Snapchat, then she too young for the guys.
Yeah.
Only if you knew what she did for the guys.
Girl, them nice though. Yeah, man. I like that one there. Ambush, OT. Yeah, man. Tough still. That beat there. From here, the the horn. Is a horn? Hold on there. What instrument that? And just the whole beat in general. From here the beat. Yeah man, I know it go sick man. And you don't know Ambush no disappoint already. You know, them man had this thing long time. You understand? So big up Ambush. You understand? And big up Cogency. You don't know what Cogency for the Cogency Reacts channel. Check out the freestyle in the description below. Check out the whole music channel. I'll be a tough music over there. So check that out. Check out the gaming channel too. Follow me on Instagram. Yeah, and Cogency. And I'm out, motherfucker. Peace. Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding. Eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see goals, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating.